Hey everyone, Patsy here from Yueming Laser Group.
And I'm Cecilia. We got something exciting to share with you today.
We are heading to the CMES Vietnam International Machine Show Exhibition this August from the 26th to the 28th at booth 1A14B in Hanoi. And we are bringing all the products with us.
That's right, our smart laser marking machine can handle stuff that stand cutting machine just can't do.
And it also supports online flying marking. That means you don't have to stop your production line. It marks where your parts keep moving.
And we also bring a 3D 5-axis laser cutting machine. Same idea, it cuts complex sheets that standard cutters struggle with.
So whether you need marking or cutting, we've got something worth looking at.
We have live demos at our booth, so you can see the machine in action, talk to our engineers, and ask all the questions you have.
Exactly. Whether you are in electronics, automotive, or general manufacturing, if marking quality is important to you, this is worth checking out.
So if you're planning to be at CMES Vietnam, make sure to swing by our booth. Okay, see you at the show!